In this video, we're going to show you how to make an interactive robot Halloween costume.
Trick or treat. Thank you.
We started by finding robot parts all over our house. Anything that looked like it would work, we just pulled together and put in a pile in the middle of the floor. We suggest you do the same at your house. Go find what you can. Then we did some research. We went to YouTube to learn how to wire LEDs. Then we went to ledcalculator.net to figure out what supplies we would need. Next, we hooked up the Makey Makey. The Makey Makey is a circuit board that you connect to the USB port on your computer. You can use it to turn anything that will conduct electricity into a key. It costs about $50 and you can learn more at makeymakey.com. Finally, we made all the sounds using GarageBand. When we were done, we used some software called SoundPlant software to make it so that the audio files would play with a keystroke.
Okay. So we're gonna just take a second right now and show you how we built this robot costume. So of course got just a cardboard box here that we've taken and cutting some holes out for the arms. For the hat here, we've got an old flower pot. This old flower pot is just a plastic flower pot, and we cut out the space for the eyes. Up on top is just a Tupperware helmet that we put some stickers on and then painted it and peeled the stickers off in order to make a space for the light to come through. We got some eye bolts here on top. In here we've got blue LEDs, just some clear plastic tubing and some cardboard ears. So we've got some blue LEDs in there, green LEDs in LED holders here, and a red LED down the middle. These are actually the tins from tea light candles. Turns out they don't conduct electricity, and for part of this we needed them to conduct electricity, so we sort of wrapped some copper wire around the tea lights. All of these wires make a bit of a bunch of wire going on inside this thing. So you see here we've got a battery pack, and then that battery pack is powering some of those LEDs. We've actually got 3 different battery packs. And then we've got this wire here that connects up to those tea lights, the tea light candles, and this wire here, this white wire, comes out of this whole setup and goes into this little circuit board here, which is called a Makey Makey. And you can see the white wire comes in here and goes into the side. And the Makey Makey, you plug it into your computer via USB cable, and it sees your computer, the computer sees the Makey Makey as a keyboard. And you can set it up to make it so that as you press one of these, it'll send a letter to your keyboard, or to your computer. And when you do that, then we've just programmed the keys to make certain sounds. So yeah, the only other thing I didn't mention is this USB here connects to these speakers on the back of his head in order to get the volume that we need out of it. So we put all that together, we put it in a backpack, throw it on my son's back, put the computer in there, and then put the box down over top of him, and he becomes a robot. So we're going to show you how to do that in just a second. Alright, so we're going to show you how we put this costume on. The first thing we did we went ahead and grounded him. So we took one of these wires from the Makey Makey and we just taped it to his back so that he's always grounded. That's the thing that completes the circuit that allows the Makey Makey to work. Next, we're going to put on a backpack. Take the laptop, slide it down into the backpack. Makey Makey we've got inside this box. We're going to slide it down in there. And we're going to take the Makey Makey, plug it into the USB port. Do the same with the speakers. Put them up there. Slide the costume down over top of him. go.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.